If you want to be successful, move on. To make a person rich, you need to have some unique talents that have been confirmed. Out of the 7.5 trillion people on Earth, just over 2,755 are billionaires, according to Forbes. It is well recognized that multiple reasons can be related to being rich. Although all these rich people have in common are talents that can be mastered from anybody and put into practice even better. So in this video, we're going to tell you the 10 skills you need to develop if you want to be rich. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Sales skill. The ability to sell is the best skill. If you can't sell, then stop thinking about doing business. One of the most crucial jobs of an entrepreneur is selling. But unfortunately, selling is a task people hate. The reason people hate selling is that they are afraid of getting rejected. If you want to become an entrepreneur, you have to focus on selling. Have you ever realized that whatever you do in life is a form of selling from the moment you're born? Life is about interacting with others, and selling is just convincing someone of the merits of an exchange. To get rich, you'll have to convince the other person that whatever you're selling is worth exchanging for money. Number 9. Emotional intelligence. The truth is, having a high IQ could be a bonus, but it's not what will make you rich. High IQs rarely correlate to financial success. Because money isn't the result of word comprehension, math skills, or abstract and spatial thinking, but instead, it has to do with understanding how people work, how they think, what they want and need, and how to really understand that information. Emotional intelligence is far more important in business and life than IQ. You don't have to be smart in school to be rich. The truth is, most A students end up working for B and C students, because while the A students waste their time trying to memorize all the useless information they get in school, which does not apply to real life, B and C students are spending that time learning about others, interacting with them, and developing their social skills. Business and life are not about how able you are to regurgitate information, but instead connecting the dots in the real world and finding ways to build your life on top of that. Number 8. Leadership. Build courage to take risks. The wealthy have great social skills. Without these core skills, they wouldn't be great leaders. Inspiring leaders, such as Martin Luther King, didn't give up easily. When applying to graduate school, Martin received the lowest score in each category. Aside from this, he didn't let the negative comments define his capabilities. Even after his death, today, King is arguably one of the most influential leaders in history. If you want to reach financial independence, be prepared for negative criticism. People will tell you what you can or can't do. It will be up to you to take risks and defend your stance toward reaching your goals. Number 7. Continuous learning. Rich and successful people never stop learning. Not only through reading, but by learning from everything that's around them. It's incredible how much you can learn about life from just observing what's happening. Your success depends on your ability to continuously learn, acquire new skills, and use those to further yourself. The goal is not to know as many things as possible, but to understand as many things as you can. There's a crucial difference between the two. The first one fills your mind with information, while the second one allows you to connect dots others might not be able to see. The first one will drive you mad, while the other will help you understand the world. Ask yourself, when is the last time you've actually learned something that is of real value, which made your life or the life of those around you better? This is how you keep track if you're growing or not. Number 6. Time management. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. It's important that you know when to say no, so that your finances and health don't suffer from neglect. The best skill that the rich master to maintain their success is using time management skills. Time management is an important skill to learn because it allows you to make the most of your time. It can help you to be more productive and accomplish a lot with very little input. One way to do this is by setting aside specific hours for work and other things like family and friends that are important to you. This will keep the balance in your life going. Number 5. Self-motivation. Self-motivation is one's ability to overcome obstacles in your mind that will tell you you can't do it or why should you bother. Self-motivation is when you tell yourself to put in the work that you want so bad. It is so important to motivate yourself because with this skill, you are in for greatness. Even if the road seems to be too tough, try to self-motivate. Number 4. Stay focused. Everything around you has been engineered to distract you. We live in an age where attention is the new currency. We see a trend among people where it's increasingly hard to maintain focus. Because every day, more and more distraction is coming our way. To stay focused means to persist with the task at hand simply. To continue to work towards whatever it is, you need to do and ensure that you remain concentrated on that one activity. If you maintain something, you continue to have it. There are several ways to stay focused on one thing. The best way to stay focused is to get rid of your distractions. You can stop using your phone or store it somewhere else when you're doing an important task. But remember, don't push yourself too hard. Number 3, managing money. Managing money will help you a lot during your journey because if you didn't learn how to manage a little money when you're a beginner entrepreneur, you will never learn how to manage a lot of it. And as a result, your business will fail. So the first thing you need to do is to set a daily limit of the money you're spending so you can save more, which is going to allow you to live without the stress that 99% of people have. That will, of course, allow you to save money, as we said, which you can use either to invest or to spend on your business's growth. In both cases, you will stop wasting it on those pleasures that will add you nothing. Number 2, discipline. A certain degree of discipline is required for any great human accomplishment. It is really important to have a goal or a desirable purpose and to write down the steps to accomplish them. But the fuel needed to drive the engine, your goals and plans, you have just assembled, is the discipline to carry it out. To accomplish a fixed purpose, discipline does whatever it takes. You can do it, even though your body doesn't feel like it, if it needs you to get out of bed before 5 a.m. It might be freezing, or you could still want to sit in the cozy embrace of your bed for longer. You have to drive yourself to get started on what needs to be done from your comfort zone. It is wonderful to have a passion for riches and prosperity, but it is a pointless exercise without developing the required discipline to do the necessary things. Becoming disciplined begins by regularly repeating small, conscious acts. You are far ahead of other people if you can wake up at a fixed set time every day and make your bed. Number 1, reading people. A large part, some say up to 90% of communication is nonverbal. So that makes reading body language important as it is. Furthermore, people have a tendency of saying one thing while they mean another. The ability to see this and interpret the meanings of communication will put you in the right direction. The process of succeeding involves working with lots of people. Understanding those people beyond what they're saying will inform how good the partnerships you form will be. It's important to partner with the right people on your journey, as this can be the determining factor of success. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video. Click here to watch this related video.